Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to show hidden files and folders inside Windows 10 or 11. Please make sure to watch this video in its entirety so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's just get started. Alright, the first thing you need to do is tap on the search down below and then type in show hidden files in Files Explorer. So go ahead and tap into that, click into that. And now you're here, so under File Explorer it says show hidden and system files. If that's turned off, enable that by clicking that to turn on. Another way to do this is to go back to search here and type in File Explorer options. So click into File Explorer options, and then you got three tabs at the top here: General, View and Search. So click onto View, and then where it says hidden files and folders, if it's set to don't show hidden files and folders, click on the show hidden files, folders and drives, and then click on apply and then click on OK. And the last method to show hidden files and folders is to actually open up any folder. I'm going to expand this, and then at the top here it's got view, so click onto view and then click onto show, and then click on hidden items. So this will show all hidden items and folders inside your PC, your File Explorer. So that's it for this quick tutorial, guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.